Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a shrimp stir fry with a peanut sauce. If you've seen my Instagram stories lately, I usually kind of try and tease what I'm going to be making in the future, and I did that with this one. It's a beautiful dish, it's my husband's absolute favorite, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So if you're as excited as I am, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the ball rolling with this episode of Mom, That's Yucky. To start off, you'll need 1 to 1.5 pounds of raw shrimp, shelled and deveined, 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, 8 green onions, 1 cup of julienne carrots, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced pickled ginger, 1/3 cup smooth peanut butter, 1/3 cup honey, 1/3 cup soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sriracha, and a 16-ounce bag of frozen stir-fried vegetables. Normally I get pickled ginger or gari from my sushi place at HEB. And instead of, you can get fresh ginger and that'll work just the same, but this is already like thinly sliced and I just mince it up and dice it up myself. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have my flowers back from last episode. My husband gets me flowers every week. So anytime you guys see fresh flowers back there, that's Jeff. In a medium bowl, you will combine your peanut butter, honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sriracha, mixing until the peanut butter breaks down and all the ingredients are well combined. On medium-high heat, you will add 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil to a large pan, making sure to coat the entire bottom evenly. You will then add in your shrimp and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the shrimp has turned in color. You do not want to overcook them or they will end up chewy. Remove them from the pan and onto a plate. Add your remaining 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and allow it to heat in the pan for a couple of seconds, then add your bag of frozen vegetables. Allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding in your cabbage and carrots. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes until all the vegetables have begun to soften. Add in ginger and garlic and cook for another 3 minutes or until fragrant. At this point, you will pour in your peanut sauce you made earlier and allow that to cook down for 3 minutes. Once the sauce is cooked down and thickened slightly, you will then add in your green onions, leaving some aside for garnish. Cook for 1 minute and then add your shrimp and cook for a minute more. Alright guys, so that is it. It is amazing. The shrimp is cooked beautifully. The vegetables give it a beautiful color. You couldn't ask for more from a dish. So, if y'all like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see any more. If you have any suggestions of what you want me to cook in the future, leave it in the comments below. I will be putting this recipe along with all of my other recipes up on my Instagram and on my Facebook page, which is Mom, That's Yucky. So I can't wait to see you guys on there too. All right, well, my name's Amanda Evans.
This has been Mom That's Jackie. You guys enjoy your meal. Bye, guys.